Hey there, this is Aparna Rai from Scholar Nest. Do you get professional certification? Here are top 5 reasons to get certified. Your profile is shortlisted at the top of the crowd for new opportunities inside and outside the organization. Employers prefer certified candidates for the partnership benefits from the product vendors. That's why they also invest and reimburse the certification costs. The client feels more confident and comfortable with the certified team member, and it also simplifies the client's placements and project onboardings. When the training program is also aligned with the certification path, you can be assured of the training quality to spend time and money confidentiality with the training provider. Confidence is high and the certification gives a positive first impression to the interviewer. Now, a positive first impression in an interview is precious. It is like starting from 5 out of 10 and all you need to do is climb through 8, 9 and get selected.